Construction at Spotify Camp Nou is entering another crucial phase, with major progress now visible across multiple sections of the stadium. From expanding VIP cores and compression ring structures to advancing diamond frameworks and the third tier, major progress is unfolding across the stadium. In today's update, we'll take you through all the latest developments and reveal the biggest construction milestones transforming Barcelona's future home. We begin today's update with another impressive view of the compression ring, where the newly installed box section remains in place following yesterday's lift. The next pillar and radial beam are now expected to be installed in this area, bringing the north goal corner another step closer to its long-awaited connection with the Tribuna side. With only a few major lifts remaining for this tower crane, attention is gradually shifting toward the next phase of compression ring assembly. Just below, the lateral diamond structure continues to advance rapidly. Reinforcement steel now covers most of the upper slab, indicating that concrete work could begin in the near future. Nearby, elevated platforms and work crews remain active across the structure, while another diamond has also seen progress after recently completed concrete work and the removal of formwork panels. Construction continues steadily across the north goal as each section moves closer to its next milestone. A truck has now arrived in the north goal area, and it appears to be carrying decorative facade lamas. While the delivery hasn't been unloaded yet, all signs suggest that installation in this section could begin very soon. Multiple elevated platforms are already operating around the facade supports, with crews carrying out preparation work across the lower levels. Activity remains exceptionally high throughout the area, with several lifting platforms in operation and materials continuing to be cleared from the site. Although no major visible changes have appeared in the upper sections, the level of movement suggests that this part of the north goal is quickly being prepared for the next phase of facade installation. We now move into the lateral section, where the diamond closest to the north goal remains the most advanced. Formwork panels, support beams, and temporary shoring are now fully in place, indicating that concrete work on the slab is approaching. The central diamond has also made impressive progress and is quickly catching up, with its support system and scaffolding now clearly taking shape. Closer to the south goal, however, the final diamond is still in its early stages. Only the vertical reinforcement for the future pillars is currently visible. Meanwhile, significant work continues around the south goal corner parking structure, where crews are treating the concrete slabs in preparation for the next phase of ground leveling. Once this work is completed, the surrounding terrain can begin taking its final shape. At the north goal corner, crews are carrying out precision work on the facade support anchors, carefully aligning and securing the connection points. Nearby, elevated platforms remain active inside the structure, where workers continue tasks around the steel framework and concrete connections. The mobility cores are also bustling with activity, with numerous crews working from the surrounding scaffolding while progress continues across the upper levels. Facade preparation work is steadily advancing throughout the area, bringing this section another step closer to the installation of the decorative lamas. With this section complete, we now continue toward the Barça Tribuna prepares for the next compression ring lift. Shifting our attention to the Tribuna side, construction activity remains steady across the area. A concrete pump and several elevated platforms can be seen on site, while nearby, multiple compression ring pillars are already staged for installation. One pillar has even been fitted with its yellow lifting components, indicating that it is likely to be among the next sections raised into position. Higher up, a red crane is moving another structural component into the stadium's steel framework as work continues across the upper levels. Although its exact location isn't yet clear, the ongoing lifting operations highlight the steady pace of construction as preparations continue throughout the Tribuna section. At the south goal corner, the compression ring appears to remain at the same stage, although a newly positioned support frame suggests preparations are continuing for the next installation. Nearby, crews are actively fitting sandwich panels inside one of the mobility cores, with the upper section now almost completely enclosed. Across the surrounding structure, workers remain active along the cantilever levels, while movement continues throughout the area. As we prepare to leave the Tribuna section, another truck arrives near the diamond structure, bringing fresh materials as construction maintains its steady pace. We are now beside the diamond structure, where the profiles for the future glass panels have already been installed. Another noticeable change is that the steel structure, previously white, has now been painted black, marking another visible step forward as finishing work continues around this section. Just ahead, outside the future shops along Travessera de l'Escor near the south goal, fresh progress is also becoming evident. New construction activity indicates that work is about to begin on the walls of the future retail spaces, bringing this commercial area another step closer to completion. The south goal section continues to move forward with new support frames now in place, marking the future location of a pillar and its radial beam connection. Several compression ring box sections are also staged nearby, ready for the upcoming installation phase. Nearby, crews are working on the upper levels, carrying out installation work around the utility pipes suspended beneath the hollow core slabs. Across the south goal corner, elevated platforms remain active as workers continue securing and aligning the façade lama supports. Protective covers have also been added to several anchor points, while preparations continue for the upcoming sandwich panel installation. With activity continuing across the area, we now head toward the lateral section for the next construction update. The third tier continues to make steady progress, with crews actively working around the access openings and installing additional terrace steps. At the same time, scaffolding is being used to relocate the temporary floodlights to the upper levels, a key step toward opening approximately 2,500 more seats for the upcoming season. Elsewhere, the second level of the VIP ring continues to advance, with curtain wall glazing now installed across most of the individual VIP boxes. Work remains active throughout both the interior and exterior as this section moves closer to completion. The project continues moving forward, and every update brings fans closer to seeing the complete rebirth of this legendary football home. The middle section continues to develop as different areas are connected together. This progress is helping create a smoother layout and bringing the complete vision of the new Camp Nou closer. This incredible transformation is still continuing, and the future of Camp Nou is becoming more exciting with every update. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next major construction updates because the biggest changes are still ahead.